Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is uh, I have a file, text file with this data. I want to check the word hello in this text. If the hello word present in this text, then I want to print that current line. For example, in this current line I have hello word. So I need to check whether hello word present in this line. If hello word present in this line, I want to print the entire line. Okay. Likewise, I need to check each line. The hello word present in that line, I need to print the entire line. So let's see how to print a line by checking the word present in the given line. Okay, now let's write the program for that. For that, we need to import one module called regular expression module. We call it as RE module. Then what we have to do? We have to open the file. F1 is equal. F1 is the file descriptor. I am opening the file. File name is test.txt. I have set this is the, and we have to open it in read mode. By default, it will open in read mode only. We need not to specify R. By default, it will be read mode only. Now, I have read the file. Now I need to parse the file. Okay, for line in F1. Okay, for each line in F1, if regular expression of dot search which word I need to search, hello word, where I need to search in each line. Okay, if that word present in that line, I need to print the line. Okay, that's it. Very simple, right? And that we have to close the file once the result is getting up. Now I will run this module. See, hello, I am Suresh. I said hello to you. See, hello is present here, so it is printed. Hello, do you know who am I? Hi Nagaraj. Hello, how are you? Hello, do you know whom? Do you know me? See in our text file. Hello, I am Suresh. It has printed. Suresh is a goodbye is not printed because there is no hello word in this line. And I said hello, this one printed. And hello, this one printed. This one not printed because no hello in this line. Hello, Nagaraj. Hello, how are you? This line printed. Hi Santosh, this line is not printed. Hello, do you know me? This line printed. Likewise, we can check the given word in this given line, and if that word line, then we can print the entire line. Then what I want to print, but I want to print only line which hello word present at the beginning of the line. I want to only print the lines which contain hello word at the beginning of the line. Like for example, in for this line, hello is present at the beginning, so I need to print only first line. For this, hello is present at the first. I need to print only first occurrence of hello word. So here three lines are there. First occurrence of hello word. I need to print only those three lines. Then for what we have to do for that? For that, instead of search, we will use match. Okay, it will match the first word. Okay. Now let's execute this one. See, it has printed only the lines which contains hello word at the beginning of the line. Likewise, this we can able to uh, parse the file using regular expression. Okay, thank you guys.